Welcome to Rasoi by Sam. Today, we're making soft, delicious Ukadiche Modaks, perfect for every festive celebration. Start with 1 tablespoon of ghee, add 2 cups of grated coconut and sauté briefly. Then add 1 cup of jaggery and cook on low heat. For the dough, boil 1 cup of water with 2 tablespoons of ghee and a pinch of salt. Add 1 cup of rice flour and stir until a soft dough forms. Transfer the dough while warm and knead with greased hands until smooth. Cover and rest for 10 minutes. Take a small portion of dough, flatten it, and place it in a greased modak mold. Add 1 teaspoon of filling, seal, and gently demold. Place the modaks in a greased steamer and steam for 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat. And our beautiful, soft Ukadiche Modaks are ready. Finish with warm ghee and a few saffron strands. Make these delicious modaks at home and enjoy the festive season with your loved ones. Like, subscribe, and follow AI Rasoi by Sam for more recipes.